real consequences of using Go&Go automatic motorbike wash. This is not science fiction. This is Go&Go, where one machine in just 4 minutes can clean your motorbike cleaner than most people's hands ever could. Let me show you exactly what this machine does and why so many garage owners are calling it the best investment yet. No human hands, no delays, just precision engineering, and yes, even mud comes off with ease. So, what are the consequences of using a machine like this? Let's break it down. 1. Save time. One bike 4 minutes, that's over 100 bikes a day, even with just one machine. 2. Increase revenue. The faster you wash, the more service you can sell. Oil change, part, decals, you name it. 3. Attract more customer. Customer love tech. They film it, they talk about it, they bring their friends. 4. Reduce labor pressure. No more tired staff, no more off days. The machine works all day, every day. 5. Build trust. Go&Go is already working with large companies across Vietnam, like VinGroup, Phuong, Trang, Thanh, Buoi. Why? Because reliability is non-negotiable. You've seen what it does. You've seen what it saves. Now, imagine what it can do for your business in Thailand. We invite you to come see this machine in action, right here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Go&Go automatic motorbike wash, fast, clean, profitable, built in Vietnam, ready for Thailand.